Hello guys, I just got my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. So I have everything already unboxed. Let me just show you what I have here. So basically I have the camera, the tripod, the adapters, lens, cable, microphone, everything, okay? Let's just start with the camera. So here I have this camera, pretty nice. I didn't turn the camera yet. So here's the screen, the buttons, the DJI logo, and you have here the space to insert the SD card, the micro SD card, 3 microphones, one here, another one here, and here. Okay, here on the bottom you can connect to the adapter. So basically there's just adapter here. You can connect to charge the camera, so it comes here like this, and you can charge, and also you can connect to your tripod just like that. You put it here, and you just turn it, and you can have your tripod. Pretty nice. Then you can open like this, and there you go. You have your camera on the tripod. Pretty nice. Or you can use the other one, which is a charger. So you can charge this one. You have some charge here, and you can also connect to the tripod. Same way. Okay. So just need to remove this one. There's a quick release button just right here. You remove it, and then you put this new one, just like so. And now here you can even see that's charging the camera. You see, you have the camera and the charger. You have information for both of them. And now let me just unplug this again. You just quick release like this. So pretty nice, huh? And then you have here also the lens. So basically you're gonna use this in front of the camera. If you want to change the angle of the camera, you just use like this, and you stick here like this, and you're good to go. Pretty easy as well. And here you have the microphone, which is pretty nice. You see it's transparent, super nice, beautiful. So you have the button here, you can start recording. Here the button that you can charge, LED to indicate that it's working. And here's the mic. You can clip on your shirt, pretty nice. And here you can use this for the wind. If you go outdoors, you can just put this here for the wind. Pretty nice as well. Here's the case, so you can use this for the camera. And you have also here the cable, so you can charge your camera. USB-C, guys. Now is the new standard with USB-C, which works pretty fine. I like USB-C. And here you have the user menus for Osmo Pocket 3, and also here for the combo, okay, the quick start guide for both. And also a sticker here, so you can use whatever you want. And also the pouch, so you can carry your camera wherever you go, okay? So pretty good. I'm gonna start using it today, and then I make more videos about it, okay? So this is just a quick unbox. I'm gonna use this camera, and also I'm gonna use this card here, the Lexar card, 128 gigs, that I got exactly for this camera, right? So I'm gonna start using it and talk more about it later, okay? So there you have it, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo.